Hello and welcome. We have the final two in the gluten-free brownie kickoff. It's a rainy day, so I'll apologize if the lighting's off here. And today we're going to go with Nature's Promise gluten-free chocolate brownie mix. Let's bake this one up, do the taste test, and see how it turns out. Let's go. Here is everything we need for this one. The mix itself, of course. Half a cup of oil or butter, 2 tablespoons water, 2 eggs for this one. Let's get it mixed up. Liquids are mixed. Now we add the powder mix. Powder mix in and we stir until it's thoroughly mixed together, completely incorporated. Smells fantastic and looks really super thick. Looks like a fudge recipes, but it says just brownie. So we got to get it into the pan. It says 8 by 8. We have 9 by 9. Let's do it. Into the pan and do the old shake test. This stuff is super thick like fudge. Awesome. It goes in the oven now, 325 for 30 to 35 minutes. Wow, they smell so good. 30 minutes in a 9 by 9 fork test, super clean. Says they're done. All right, now they need to cool and we can do the taste test. Yahoo, they are cool and I have already cut a piece and they smell scrumptious. They look like a real brownie. They have that little crunchiness on the top. They did not flake away. They did not leave dry cake crumbs. They feel very moist. Oh yeah, sticking to the fork. Wow, they smell so good. They feel like a fudgy brownie, even though it didn't say fudgy. And here we go, taste test. Wow, that is really good. Oh boy, this might be the top 3. Let's go see in the ones we made. Okay, so I went and I pulled the top 4 and I had my expert taste tester who's been helping me throughout this, my bestest husband, confirm with me. It is going to fall. Nature's Promise didn't make number 1 or number 2, but it is tied for number 3. And keep in mind, Namaste, I royally accidentally screwed up when I made it. I accidentally doubled the water and it came out very fudgy and still very tasty. So Nature's Promise is tied for 3rd. Hope that helps. We have one more to do.